In the past few videos, we learned about the basic React Redux pattern. We define our action creators, define our reducer functions, provide the store, and connect our components to the store. In doing so, our React components get access to the Redux state and are able to dispatch actions to the Redux store. Now, a couple of months back, React hooks were introduced. Hooks basically give function components the ability to use local component state, execute side effects, and more. If you're not familiar with hooks, I have a complete series on the channel which you can watch to understand what they bring to the table. The reason I bring up the topic of hooks is because in React Redux version 7.1, hooks have been added. So React Redux now offers a set of hook APIs as an alternative to the existing connect higher order component. The APIs allow you to subscribe to the Redux store and dispatch actions without having to wrap your components in connect. Over the next few videos, we will understand how to use hooks instead of connect in our Cake Shop container component. I'll see you guys in the next video.